Hey guys, it's Joe again with TrueForce Roof, and here once again we have our Regency Plus windows. We're going to go into a little more in-depth on things so that y'all understand the product that we're selling here. I believe in this product. Here at TrueForce, we believe in everything we sell, and we're guaranteeing our product. So I just want to show you how everything works. We went over before, these are double hung windows. They have a 2SAS system on everything for easy access and easy opening and easy cleaning for a tilt down factor. They are reinforced with an aluminum liner in it for more structural integrity. We also offer a full screen on the whole window, so you don't have no half screen, so you can leave both windows open in operation at all times. The window is always white, but we offer 5 different color systems. This is our white window right here, white on the front, white on the back. This is our standard that we offer. If you want any other colors, that's what we're gonna go over. Bronze, black, wood grain, and beige. With white, that makes our 5 colors. With the Regency windows, we also have a high standard warranty for the frames that come with this. The frames itself is a 50-year warranty for the product. They guarantee their product at Regency. The glass is through Cardinal Glass. It has a 20-year seal factor on it. If that seal ever clouds up on you where the low E and the Oregon gives out, we'll call us and we'll make sure it gets changed out. Cardinal guarantees it. They're the leading manufacturer in the United States for glass. As far as the UV protection, it has a 95% UV reduction, up to 280 BTUs. It will reduce it down to 7 BTUs on a given factor. After explaining everything, if you want some more information on functionality and everything, we're going to have a demo on TrueForce website. Just go to trueforceroofing.com. Thank you.